Take that bitch, Matt.
Good morning, guys and gals. So the season is winding down. We're finally getting a few birds in, and Bessie's pretty excited. Yeah, I am too. Okay, get back. You're blocking my light. You're blocking my light. Anyways, it's currently 4:57, about 32 degrees with a slight wind. Gonna be kind of a decent hunt today. We're gonna have 5 people, and we're gonna be hunting a flooded field. And then I found where the birds they're landing in this point and walking out into the field. So we're gonna set up on a point and then hopefully try to get some geese to come in too. So hopefully it all works out and we don't get skunked like we have been. But yeah, there's quite a few birds there, so hopefully we don't. So y'all stay tuned. I'll bring y'all along for the ride, and hopefully we'll shoot something today. Alright guys, so it's kind of sprinkling here on us a little bit, but we're getting the blind all set up. Got the decoys out. My camera sucks. My good one. Where are you going? My good one broke, and so I had to buy a new one, and it wasn't what I thought. So anyways, got the blind set up. We got goose decoys behind us with a couple full body mallards. So hopefully it'll be pretty good. So we're gonna get finished setting up here. I'll see y'all at shooting line.
There's one, there's one.
Okay.
Somebody shoot that. Oh, Harley.
Damn, that kill was.
Make sure that thing come out
Yeah,
and
it
you're done.
did. It did.
Oh shit, y'all are shooting. I don't.
Yeah.
That's a little far. Okay. Oh shit. Pintail? Yeah, baby. That was a,
Bessie here.
That was a pintail.
Come here, Bear. It is.
Is it?
I can't tell. I don't know. I killed it.
Yeah, it is.
Holy shit,
Bessie
it's
place.
a
Yeah,
pintail.
that's
Do it. Can't kill all.
Well, you can't even, yeah, we know who killed that pintail now. Not y'all.
Did y'all not kill that duck?
Sit down.
No.
Stay.
They changed their mind. Oh, on the left.
Stay. Kill. There you go. Good girl.
I
Mark.
pulled the trigger.
Bessie.
When we shot them mallards, we had one of the decoys.
Sit. Well, it's right here in front, guys.
They gotta be seeing the blind now, I guess.
Hey, to the left. To the left.
Here our left. Here our left. Let's take these.
Bessie, here. No.
Kill any?
Here. Here, place.
Holy shit!
Bessie, here. No.
Holy
Here. Place.
bombers,
They
man.
about took our heads off.
Stay. Stay.
I didn't realize something.
Stay.
Oh, wait. Hey, I think
Bessie.
I got it first.
Bessie.
Sit.
Stay. Bessie, stay.
Sit.
Kill him. Bessie, here. Here. Good girl. Here. Stay.
There's 2 more above us. Sit. What do you think, boys?
Take them.
Holy shit! What happened?
Good shot.
Did you shoot your gun by
Stay
your
by.
ear?
Bessie.
Fucking got hung.
Good dog.
That scared the hell
Hold.
out of me.
Hold. Here.
Hung
Your
on my
ear
throat.
Here.
tree?
Daddy.
I left on it.
A wicked.
Been ringing, though.
Hey, that's a widgeon.
Is
It's a widgeon hen.
Oh. Son of a bitch.
Here you go, buddy. Good girl.
Yeah.
Good
That'd
girl.
have been a mounter right
Place.
there.
Place.
It'd look nice on the
Good
wall with
girl.
my bear that I killed this year.
Sit. Good dog. Good girl.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened.
No.
Good girl. I only had 2 shells in. Good girl here.
What's he shooting at?
Good girl here.
Kill it?
No.
I run a duck over
Bessie,
there.
here.
Or all them,
Good dog.
One of them are feathers or not.
Good dog.
I couldn't remember if I took my gun off safety or not.
Cody, I've
so.
never seen a dog.
Good duck.
Good girl. Here. Here.
She does it
Here.
petitely.
Up, up. Bessie here.
Good job, guys.
That's another
Oh,
pin.
I about to say that's another pintail.
That's a hen though.
Hell, that's crazy.
Good dog here.
I think I killed that one.
Here. No, it ain't. It's a gaddy. Good girl. Good dog. Yeah. Good. Place.
Anybody need hot hands?
Place. Oh, 2 right here to the right.
Kill these right over top of it.
No, stay.
Women.
Stay. Bessie, stay.
No, if you don't get any closer.
Somebody kill it.
Again.
No, Bessie here.
Way behind it.
Here.
Hit it.
Ah, they heard them safeties click off and got scared.
They're gonna be right in our laps.
Just don't move.
Do we want to try to let them land?
No, it's
You
coming.
can work on.
Keep working on
Bessie, no! Here!
I thought that one was going down.
Shoot this
No, no, no.
Sit. 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 Sit.
Take that bitch, Matt.
Woo! There we go. Finally. Bessie, here!
Who shot at the duck?
Bessie, here!
I did.
Here! Bessie, here! Come on! Here, here, here!
Hell yeah, boys. Yeah.
Hey, get ready, get ready, get ready.
Bessie, place. 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 Bessie, place. I'm not saying I killed that one, but I was aiming at it.
Holy shit. Why didn't you shoot?
Well, because y'all.
What's going on?
That one's toast. Bessie, the bird. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Here, Bessie, here.
I was looking at the ones.
I was looking at these.
Bessie, place. All right, guys. So it's about 8:30. Have a little snack stick break. We're doing pretty good. I don't know how many we got. Got quite a few ducks and 2 geese. Let me show you all the spread here. The ducks out front. Got some geese behind us. What? We got ducks working. So I'm gonna get off here. Pretty good day. Sorry if y'all can't see because of the rain, but it's okay. I apologize. Ah, there we go. We got that last one. That bird back.
Well,
I know I dropped about 2 of them. So. Good dog here.
I just needed one.
Good girl. Come on.
Hey, oh, geese.
Yeah.
Good girl. Place.